Explore the fascinating journey of the Jinn, the mysterious and ancient beings who evolved into aliens. Join us as we unravel the secrets of their evolution and their role in the historical events that shaped the human history. Part 5. Powers of Jinn. In a world of endless ideas and theories, carefully examining clues from the Quran helps us understand the true nature of Jinn and their intentions toward humans, the race that they have been replaced with. As for aliens, no one knows their story better than their creator. His words reveal how they lived, why they left their home planet, and how they've been with us since the earliest days of humanity. The truth is that they never completely departed our planet. They've always been here from the very moment the first humans set foot on Earth. They've been our unseen companions. Jinns, according to ancient lore, possess incredible powers. They exist in a realm beyond our perception, and their abilities defy the ordinary laws of physics. Speed of movement. Jinns can move with astonishing swiftness, bending time and being faster than our reflexes. While we take seconds to rise from a chair, a Jinn can accomplish an impossible task in perfection. Dimensional travel. Jinns are not bound by physical constraints like we are. They can traverse vast distances instantaneously. Imagine teleportation without the need for technology. Invisibility. Jinns can become invisible at will. They slip in and out of our reality, unseen but present at the same time. Shape-shifting. These beings can change form, morphing from one appearance to another. A Jinn might appear as a human or a reptile. Manipulating elements. They can change and penetrate through various materials. Such abilities remind us of the heroes of DC Comics and Marvel Studios. With extraordinary power and strength beyond measure, possessing superhuman senses, defying the laws of physics, shape-shifting, flying through the skies, diving in the deepest ocean, and needles of oxygen in space. Unlike the evil Jinns in the story of Solomon, we've been told that these non-human superheroes are the saviors of humanity, who fight for justice and the well-being of this planet. And on the other hand, they have the power to destroy humans and the Earth in the blink of an eye. These narratives are more fitting for children's books than for holy scriptures, potentially undermining the authenticity of God's word. However, it's essential to recognize that God's intentions often surpass our understanding, and there may be hidden wisdom waiting to be revealed. Have the Jinn been able to explore and travel to other planets and venture beyond our solar system? The answer is in chapter 55, verse 33. O company of Jinn and mankind, if you are able to pass through the layers of the heavens and the earth, then pass. You will not pass except by submission to the authority. God's confirmation that both Jinn and mankind will traverse the layers of skies and earth opens up intriguing possibilities for intelligent life in both galactic and subterranean realms. The Quran acknowledges that both Jinns and humans possess the ability to penetrate beyond the realms of the heavens and the earth. This insight suggests that they not only inhabit the surface, but also have the capacity to explore the skies above and delve deep into the earth's layers. Fulfilling this prophecy require advanced technology and capabilities that Jinns have acquired over billions of years of civilization. These abilities allow them to live in space as well as underground. Even the least developed and most backward Jinn nations have embraced and achieved advanced technology. However, when compared to the highly advanced Jinn societies, they would be considered as residents of third-world countries. The decision to leave Earth behind and venture into space or retreat underground can be driven by two primary motivations: ambition for exploration or the need to conceal from a grave danger that imperils the existence of the Jinn. The intense conflicts and cultural differences among different races of Jinn force the weaker ones to seek refuge in subterranean realms to survive. The town of Mohenjo-Daro was abandoned, and the site was repopulated centuries later. During excavations by archaeologists in the 1920s, 37 skeletons were uncovered. Scientists have measured a radioactivity level 50 times higher than normal in these skeletons. It suggests the use of atomic weapons during ancient wars. There are more than 1,000 kinds of super-powerful weapons used during the Mahabharata times alone. Brahmastra had power similar to that of a nuclear bomb. This explains how intense heat transformed the clay in Mohenjo-Daro into crystals. Hindu Itihasa is full of stories of war and battle between good and evil, Devtas and Asuras, and how deities in different forms protect good over evil. According to archaeologists, a powerful blast with a city-wide range wiped out the ancient inhabitants of the city. Mohenjo-Daro isn't the sole ancient civilization that mysteriously disappeared overnight. Similar stories exist worldwide. This historical context might explain why a substantial group of Jinn sought refuge underground and chose to live underground in secret places. Meanwhile, the superior nations of Jinns continue their quest for global and universal dominance. Jinn have a society that resembles human society in many aspects, with various races, cultures, languages, nations, and religions. Technology can offer a better future, but it also has a dark side that affects society and the environment. The story of Jinn and destruction of our planet was the main reason, which is the unique and sustainable miracle of creations. That led to Jinn's disqualification from continuing their life on the earth. The Quran acknowledges the fact that the magnificence in creation of heavens and the earth is far superior than the incomplete scientific and mathematical descriptions. The creation of the heavens and earth is greater than the creation of beings, but most of the beings do not know. Chapter 40, verse 57. God faced a clear decision between saving his greater creation or the lesser one. The Jinn beings were compelled to leave their planet in search of a suitable home. Jinns, existing not only on the surface and beneath, but also in the interstitial spaces between heavens and earth, maintained colonies within the cosmic expanse. وَلَهُ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَنْ عِنْدَهُ لَا يَسْتَكْبِرُونَ عَنْ عِبَادَتِهِ وَلَا يَسْتَحْسِرُونَ. To him belongs the living beings in the heavens and the earth, and those near him are not prevented by arrogance from his worship, nor do they tire. Chapter 21, verse 19. Amidst racial conflicts among the Jinns, which compelled one group to depart from Earth and another to seek refuge underground, divine intervention unfolded as the planet underwent a thorough cleansing and preparation to welcome its new inhabitants. The Ice Ages began 2.4 million years ago and lasted until 11,500 years ago. Approximately 12,000 years ago, another mighty flood swept across the land, purging the remnants of what remained after the Ice Age. These cataclysmic events buried the traces of ancient existence beneath layers of mud and ashes. During this time, the Earth's climate repeatedly changed between freezing periods and hot periods, which made life impossible on the surface. The force of nature reshaped the world, leaving behind a transformed landscape for the new race of beings, the humans. On the contrary, Jinns diligently sought to adapt to life beyond Earth, whether in the vastness of space or within the depths of the frozen lands. During a span of 2.4 million years, the Jinn underwent mutations and evolutionary changes, giving rise to numerous new species. Remarkably, their population flourished, and their technological expertise expanded. After 2.4 million years of adaptation, mutation, and technological evolution, the various nations of Jinns, whether dwelling in space or underground, reached a pivotal juncture. They decided it was time to return and reclaim the land that once belonged to them.